What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Where have I been? Ciao. Couldn't tell you. So yeah, I'm back now. I don't know how consistent I will be, but I will try my best to be as consistent as I can. And of course, cannot forget my sis HAIRBYTORREY hooked me up with the medium-sized lemonade braids, so be sure to check her out. She just did an amazing giveaway. Y'all missed out. Sorry I wasn't up here sooner to let you guys know about it. My bad. But yeah, she just did a giveaway, but business is booming. Check her out. She's lit. She the bomb. I go to her all the time. And so yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can keep up with some of the stuff that I do on a daily regular. And my Instagram is ArtofAri_. But yeah, so this look is different. This is different. And so this look is brought to you by Apostle. Shout out to you, Apostle Criego. For Christmas we did Secret Santa and she got me, she got me. And so she got me the Morphe palette. Hold that thought. So she got me the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This is, I can't remember which one this is. Jeez. The name is not on it. It's on the box, but I don't know what I did with the box because I got excited. But yeah, I'll figure it out and I'll put it in the description box. But the interesting thing about Apostle is the fact that she got me something that's completely out of my element, completely different from what I use, and I appreciate that because it helped me step out of my comfort zone. She was like, I know she uses like a lot of warm tone stuff, so I'm gonna give her something different. And I played around with it and I like it, and I'm interested to try a little bit more of these colors. I played it safe, you know, because I'm getting ready to go out or whatever. So I played it safe and I used 1, 2, 3 colors this time around, but I plan to do another look using this palette. But yeah, so I'm back. This is my first tutorial of the year, first eyeshadow tutorial of the year. Praying and believing to God that I can get more content out because I miss you guys. It's been 2 months since I posted stuff and it's ridiculous. Like, I know the last time I was supposed to have an eyeshadow tutorial, that ain't happened, but you know, to God be the glory. That's in the past. That's last year. We in the new year, new me. So yeah, there was like maybe 3 videos total that I filmed that I just did not get around to editing, and I was just like over it. So I personally want to thank you guys for hanging in there, for subscribing in my absence, still watching my videos. Y'all are the real MVP. Couldn't do this without you. And we're so close to 300, so let's make it happen. Alright, so yeah. I'm just gonna stop rambling now. That's all I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you missed me because I missed you, you know. Thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.